Hello again, this is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener, and today is concrete day. We're pouring a beautiful new patio in the backyard, but to get the concrete there to the back, we're going to have to pump it. So as you can see here in the video, we have a concrete truck pouring the concrete into a pumper, which then pumps the concrete into the backyard via a hose. And now we're in the backyard where the concrete's getting pumped into. As you can see, they have already formed up everything in anticipation of the truck arriving. So they used bender board to make the curves of this new concrete patio, reinforced it all with rebar, and put the rebar up on blocks. This will give the patio tremendous strength for the usual expansion that a concrete goes through as it's being done. And now we're here in the backyard where the pump is pumping the concrete into the area that they have formed up. Again, they have rebar and curved bender board everywhere to form this concrete patio. They're going to use a total of 10 cubic yards of concrete for this 750 square foot new concrete patio. And it'll take about 45 minutes for the pumper truck to get all 10 yards of the concrete into this back area through this big 4-inch hose. The patio is getting poured about 4 inches deep. And they have a crew of about 5 finishers that are going to keep working this concrete all afternoon to get it all just set right. But once the truck starts pumping, they have to work extremely fast to get the concrete at the right level before it sets. So this is how you pump concrete into a backyard. Again, if you'd like to see more of my videos, make sure to click subscribe for the 2-Minute Gardener. I'm Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Thanks again.